Alhamdulillah, 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 alhamdulillah. Sweets caught in hit. Alhamdulillah, 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 alhamdulillah. Sweets caught in hit. I just want pull up in coops. I just want more for loose. I just be dripping in cool. I just be tripping in news. Kick it with goons. I just be smoking the fumes. I just might fly to the moon. I just get high like balloons. I just be out making moves. I just be sipping that juice. I just be spending for loose. I just be dripping in juice. I just be wet like I'm pools. I just don't care about no rules. I'm just a far with a tool. I just be killing you news. All of my guns hit that blue. For night I'm getting a loot. Dropping the top on my coupe. Coupe and it came with no roof. Yeah, I just give it my dues. Say I hit a lick, alhamdulillah. Oh, you're getting big. Alhamdulillah, 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 alhamdulillah.
We are out here in Ridgecrest, my hometown. I live just over that hill right there, and we're gonna run this little car through its paces today. It's a night race, starts at 8 p.m. The course is 25 miles-ish, and we do 5 laps.
I've been around for a long, long year. Stole many a man's soul of faith. I was around when Jesus Christ had his moment of doubt and pain. Made damn sure the pilot washed his hands and sealed his fate. Pleased to meet you. Hope you guessed my name. But what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. Stuck around St. Mary when I saw it was a time for change.
right, Darren. So you were able to finish tonight.
Yeah.
Overall, how do you think you did, man?
I did it as well as I could for the car that I had and the time I had it. I haven't driven a Can-Am since 2017. I had about 12 miles in this thing, and the steering went out like freaking mile 3 or so. I was driving without power steering the entire time, so that was real sketchy when you got a full drive car. It really wants to dart off in each direction when you catch ruts and stuff. So between that and in general, I don't know if it's a lack of power or if it's the clutching. It could be a mixture of each or one or the other, I'm not sure. But it wasn't running optimal really in my experience with these cars. But again, it's pretty limited. I haven't driven them in a very long time. Ultimately though, I didn't get it out of the car the entire race, so that's a win. And we ran into a podium finish.
How's it going, you guys? Today I am out with the Ranger. Today we're gonna do a little bit of work on it. I have a very small trans cooler.
Can I go through?
Yeah, go for it, man. Just YouTubing here, man. So anyways, let's go in the back right here. As you can tell from my trans cooler, it's not very big to begin with, and there's also a little fan on there. And it also doesn't get a lot of air circulation because it is mounted right behind the fuel cell. So as a result, I get really high trans temperatures. It can get up to 240 degrees, 250 degrees. When it gets to that temperature, it can actually cook your transmission. Tyler's gonna be helping me out. I bought a bigger fan. We're gonna try mounting that, see if that makes a difference. But right now, let's hit the wash. All right, so this is the fan. This is the fan that I got. It's gonna replace this little guy right here. It's fucking huge. Like here, just actually put it up against the spare wheel, just for size comparison. Look at the size of that. Look how fucking big that is. You know what's funny? At this angle, it kind of looks like a chocolate starfish.
Wrong tool, right job.
Oh, yes.
بسبوس عاشق بسه ويدلعها بسبوسة بسبوس عاشق بسه ويدلعها بسبوسة يلحقها من بيت البيت ويقول اعطيني بوسة يلحقها من بيت البيت ويقول اعطيني بوسة